Hi viewers, from today onwards we are going to have a series of videos in which we are going to discuss the fetal development week by week, the physiological changes that occurs in the mother, the developmental changes in the newborn and the minor complaints that is present during these particular weeks and the home care management during these periods. Now let us see what is happening during the first week of pregnancy. As such, pregnancy has not started yet and you are as normal as you are. Even though your pregnancy has not started yet, this week is very important as your midwife or physician calculates your EDD from this particular week. There are many formulas to calculate EDD. Here we have the Naegele's rule, which is a standard way of calculating the due date for a pregnancy. The rule estimates the expected date of delivery either by adding 1 year, subtracting 3 months and adding 7 days to the first day of a woman's LMP, or adding 9 months and 7 days to the LMP or the last menstrual period. The result is approximately 280 days from the start of the last menstrual cycle. Here you can see an example of calculating an EDD. If an LMP is January 10th, according to this formula, you have LMP plus 9 months plus 7 days. So you have to start calculating from January 10th plus 9 months plus 7 days. You get the expected date of delivery as October 17th, a total of 40 weeks of pregnancy or 280 days of conception. If you are planning for a pregnancy, there are some things you are supposed to do and not to do during this period. First, you have to stop drinking alcohol. There is no safe amount of alcohol intake during pregnancy. Even a minor amount of alcohol intake can cause fetal alcohol syndrome, which affects the baby both physically and psychologically. Stay away from tobacco products. Tobacco taken in any form is very hazardous for the fetus as it causes severe vasoconstriction leading to placental insufficiency, which causes abortion in the early days of conception and intrauterine growth retardation and preterm birth in the later periods of pregnancy. No drugs strictly during the early weeks of pregnancy. This includes your legal as well as illegal drugs. Stop intake of over the counter medications as there are a lot of side effects for these drugs that will affect the growth and development of the fetus. These drugs may cause congenital anomalies and developmental defects during the pregnancy. There are some groups of drugs that you have to discontinue during pregnancy. If you are planning for a pregnancy, inform your physician regarding the pregnancy plan so that he or she may stop some of the drugs, or sometimes they may even cut down the doses that may be safe during the pregnancy period. As there is an increased demand of folic acid during the early weeks of pregnancy for the development of the brain and neural tube formation, the intake of folic acid should be increased from 400 to 600 micrograms daily during the early weeks. If you want to know about the foods that are rich in folic acid, kindly see for the previous video for the same. Only a healthy mother can develop a healthy newborn. If you are planning for a pregnancy, try to take adequate amounts of macro and micronutrients in your food. Try to have a healthy, balanced diet and decrease the amount of fast food items. Yoga and relaxation techniques can keep your body and mind fresh and active, that can help your baby to be healthy from day one. positive mind can have positive vibrations in you, which will make your pregnancy positive. So, always be positive, think positive. Definitely, your pregnancy will become positive. As of now, we are completing our first week of pregnancy. Hope this was an interesting and an useful video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.